Hey, everyone, and welcome back to the SunTrust Foundation channel.
Yeah.
We're so glad to have you here with us
Absolutely.
as we kind of dive into these really um, powerful insights for entrepreneurs and for students
Yeah.
alike. And, today
Yeah.
we are exploring
Yeah.
the work of Brian Tracy,
Yeah.
who is truly a legend in the world of personal and professional development.
Absolutely a legend. He's really well known for his practical, no-nonsense approach to achieving success.
Right.
And today we're going to be focusing on his 14-step guide to reaching any goal that you set your mind to.
I love that. And Tracy starts off with this really powerful statement that really sets the tone for everything. And it's success is goals and all else is commentary. He even shares a story about how his own life dramatically changed after simply writing down 10 goals he wanted to achieve.
It's amazing how powerful that is.
Right.
Just writing it down.
Just writing it down.
Yeah.
And there have been studies that show
Yeah.
that only a tiny percentage of adults
Right.
actually take the time to write down
So true.
their goals.
Yeah.
So by simply doing that, you were already putting yourself ahead of the curve.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, so let's unpack these 14 steps.
All right, let's do it.
The first one focuses on desire, deciding exactly what you want.
Okay.
Tracy emphasizes thinking big here, envisioning your ideal life across different areas, like your income, relationships, your health, everything.
I love it.
So what would it look like if you could just wave a magic wand and have it all?
Oh, that's a great question. It's almost like giving yourself permission to dream without limitations.
Right.
And the key is to capture those aspirations in writing, making them clear, specific, measurable, and tangible.
Right. And that leads perfectly into step 2, which is setting a deadline.
Oh, deadlines are so important.
Tracy believes deadlines are essential because they act as forcing systems, pushing us to take action.
Absolutely.
He even suggests breaking down larger goals into smaller chunks with sub-deadlines.
Oh, yeah, I love that.
To make them feel more manageable.
Makes it so much easier to accomplish.
Right.
And it's important to remember that deadlines can be flexible.
Yeah.
If you don't meet one, don't beat yourself up about it.
Right.
Just adjust it and keep moving forward. It's about progress, not perfection.
I love that.
Yeah.
It's about progress, not perfection. Now, step 3 really caught my attention.
Okay.
It's all about identifying obstacles, those things that might get in the way of achieving your goal.
Yeah.
Tracy talks about the theory of constraints, which suggests there's always one key factor holding us back.
Right.
And get this, he says, 80% of those constraints are internal.
Wow.
Meaning they come from within us.
That's really interesting because it highlights the importance of self-awareness.
Yeah.
We need to be honest with ourselves about our own limitations. Yeah. Whether it's a lack of skill, knowledge, fear, procrastination, whatever it might be.
That's so true. And this ties directly into step 4.
Okay.
Which encourages us to identify the knowledge and skills we need to develop to overcome those obstacles and reach our goals.
Yeah.
Tracy believes that the greatest discovery that you can make in life is identifying your weakest key skill.
Okay.
The one that, if improved, would have the biggest impact on your success.
It makes so much sense.
Yeah.
It's about focusing on targeted development, honing in on the specific areas that will move the needle the most.
Right.
Think about it. What skills would put you in the top 10% of your field?
Yeah.
Those are the ones to prioritize.
Okay. So we've covered the first 4 steps in Tracy's framework. What resonates most with you so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Yes, please share your thoughts.
We'd love to hear your perspectives.
Absolutely.
Now let's move on to step 5, which is all about identifying the people you need on your team to help you achieve your goals.
I like it. Yeah, this step is all about understanding that, we don't achieve great things in isolation.
Right.
Building a strong network and fostering those mutually beneficial relationships is really crucial. Yeah.
And Tracy really emphasizes being a go-giver rather than just a go-getter.
Right.
It's about recognizing the value others bring and contributing to their success as well.
I love that.
Yeah.
Now, once you have a clear understanding of who can support you, step 6 encourages you to list everything you need to do to reach your goal.
Okay.
Now, this might seem daunting at first, but it's about breaking down that big, audacious goal
Right.
into smaller, actionable steps.
It's like that classic saying,
Yeah.
a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
Absolutely.
By listing out all the necessary actions, you create a roadmap,
Right.
making that journey feel less overwhelming.
It's so true.
Yeah.
And that leads us to step 7, organizing your list into a plan.
So this involves prioritizing tasks
Yes.
based on their importance
Yeah.
and the order in which they need to be completed.
Right.
Tracy brings back the 80-20 rule here,
Okay.
suggesting that 20% of your efforts will produce 80% of your results.
That's a big one.
Right.
Before we delve into the next set of steps,
Yeah?
we'd love to hear from you.
Yeah.
What stands out to you from the first 7 steps?
Yeah. What are your thoughts so far? Share your insights in the comments below.
Yes, we are always eager to learn from your perspectives.
Now, step 8 takes that planning process a step further.
All right.
It's about creating a detailed plan of action,
Okay.
breaking down your goal into actionable steps from start to finish. Tracy is a big advocate for planning.
Yes, he is.
He says having a goal and a plan increases your chances of success tenfold.
Yeah.
He even suggests planning each day, week, and month in advance.
It's so important.
Yeah.
It's about creating a structure that keeps you on track, anticipating potential challenges, and proactively managing your time and resources.
Right.
And Tracy says,
I love this.
each minute spent in planning saves 10 minutes in execution.
Oh, that's a good one.
It's a pretty incredible return on investment.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And building on that idea of planning and prioritizing,
Yeah.
step 9 is all about identifying your most important task for each day,
Okay.
the one that will have the biggest impact on reaching your goal.
Yes.
Tracy recommends using the 80-20 rule again.
I like it.
Ask yourself,
Okay.
if I could only do one thing on my list today, which would be most impactful,
Right.
that becomes your top priority.
Okay.
Then you ask that question again and again,
Yeah.
ranking your tasks by importance.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about focus and concentration,
Absolutely.
dedicating yourself to the tasks that truly move you closer to your goal.
Now, step 10 builds on that idea of focus
Okay.
and introduces the concept of single-handling.
Single-handling.
It's about sticking with a task until it's 100% complete, resisting those distractions that can so easily derail our progress.
Here's where it gets really interesting.
Yeah.
Tracy suggests that mastering single-handling
Mm-hmm.
can make you 2, 3, even 5 times more productive than your peers.
Wow.
That's a game changer in terms of efficiency and effectiveness.
Absolutely. And to further enhance that focus and motivation,
Yeah.
step 11 dives into the power of visualization.
Oh, I love this.
Tracy encourages us to create vivid, emotionally charged mental pictures of our goals as if they've already been achieved.
Okay.
So imagine yourself already enjoying the fruits of your labor.
Right.
If your goal is to launch a successful business, visualize yourself running that business,
Right.
feeling the excitement and satisfaction of achieving that goal.
So powerful.
Right.
Yeah.
It's about making it real in your mind, connecting with the emotions associated with success.
Yeah.
Tracy believes this taps into the power of your subconscious and superconscious mind,
Wow.
even activating the law of attraction to draw resources and opportunities your way.
That's some pretty powerful stuff.
Yeah, it is.
Now, step 12 offers a practical exercise
Okay.
to solidify your goals.
All right.
Tracy recommends taking a sheet of paper,
Mm-hmm.
writing goals at the top,
Mm-hmm.
and listing at least 10 goals you want to achieve in the next year or so.
He's very specific about the wording,
Yeah.
suggesting you start each goal with I,
Uh-huh.
followed by an action verb,
Right.
and write them in the present tense as if they've already happened.
Okay.
For example, instead of saying, I want to write a book,
Yeah.
you would say, I am a published author.
I am a published author.
Yeah.
And remember to frame them positively.
Yes.
So instead of I will quit procrastinating,
Yeah.
it's I am a highly productive individual.
Much better.
Right. It's about aligning your internal dialogue with your desired outcomes.
Absolutely.
Now, step 13 helps you prioritize those 10 goals
Okay.
and identify your major, definite purpose.
Oh.
The one goal that would have the most positive impact on your life if you could achieve it within 24 hours.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That becomes your guiding light.
Right.
And to make it happen,
Yes.
Tracy recommends applying the 7 steps that we've already discussed.
Yeah.
Writing it down clearly, setting deadlines,
Mm-hmm.
identifying obstacles, and so on.
It's a comprehensive approach to ensuring that you're well prepared to embark on that journey toward achieving that most important goal. But before we dive into that final step, a quick reminder to like and subscribe to the SunTrust Foundation channel for more valuable content like this.
Definitely do that.
We're here to support you on your entrepreneurial and educational journeys.
Absolutely.
And your support helps us reach even more individuals who are eager to learn and grow.
Yes, it does.
Now let's move on to step 14.
Okay.
The culmination of everything we've discussed so far.
This step is all about persistence. That unwavering commitment to keep going, even when things get tough.
Yeah, persistence is so important.
Tracy sees persistence as self-discipline in action.
Okay.
Every time you overcome an obstacle or bounce back from a setback, you become stronger and more resilient.
It's like building a muscle, you know?
Right.
The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets.
Yeah, and Tracy has this great point.
Yeah.
He says that most people give up on their goals right before they're about to achieve a breakthrough.
It's like digging for gold and stopping just a few feet from the vein.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
So we've covered a lot of ground today, exploring Brian Tracy's 14 steps to achieving any goal you set your mind to.
Yeah, it's been a great discussion.
It's a powerful framework, but it all comes down to taking action.
Absolutely.
What's one goal you could set right now
that
would have the biggest positive impact on your life? Think about it and share it in the comments below.
Yeah, we'd love to hear your aspirations and support you on your journey. And to help you get started, Russ.
But before you go, we want to hear from you.
Yeah, absolutely.
What are some of the burning challenges you're facing right now?
Yeah.
What topics would you like us to explore in future deep dives here on the SunTrust Foundation channel?
Yeah, share your questions, your roadblocks, anything you'd like us to cover.
Right.
We're here to provide valuable insights and resources to support you on your path to success.
We believe that by learning from each other, sharing our experiences, and supporting one another, we can all achieve extraordinary things.
That's so true.
So let's keep this conversation going in the comments below.
Yes, definitely.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to the SunTrust Foundation channel for more inspiring content, expert advice, and actionable strategies to help you reach your full potential.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into Brian Tracy's powerful framework for achieving goals.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
Remember, success is within your reach.
Yes.
Start setting those goals.
Yeah.
Create a plan and take action today.
Such a great way to wrap things up.
And never give up on your dreams.
Yeah.
We believe in you.
We do.